Ghost is about a young man who has experienced some trauma with his life, and he ends up on this track and sees this track team practicing, and this coach takes an interest in him and mentors him and guides him to this new found talent that he didn't know he had.
Running at that point in my life saved my life. I really needed a family and a sense of purpose.
Sonny, Lou, Patina, and as of yesterday, Castle Cranshaw.
Just call me Ghost.
All right. Sonny.
A lot of the issues Ghost dealt with, unfortunately, are issues that are shared by a lot of individuals. And I feel that in the moment, the individual feels that this is all that there is for them, and their life is going to be stuck in this moment. And I am living proof that you could persevere through that.
So I know what it's like to look around and see anger and sadness and rage every day. So much it starts to color your insides. But running changed all that for me.
This production is exciting to me because we intertwine some other elements. I have an amazing choreographer, Heather Beal, who did some movement with this production, sound design by Jackie Sharp. And those elements alone have created a real visceral, stylized aesthetic for this world, including the amazing set design by David Blake. And I have some amazing actors that have really committed and are very intentional about holding the integrity of the story.
I thought this production in particular was amazing. The choreography was amazing. Just surreal to have such traumatic things in your life be able to just bring joy now. You go through these moments in your life that to you are some of the worst periods of your life. And I spent so much time asking myself, why is this happening to me? So I'm living the answer to that question because I'm seeing that in my struggles there was good that come from it. And now I'm able to basically have retribution to all of those miserable nights and just know that they have purpose and that hopefully I'm able to help other people who are going through similar situations.
For me, the overall message is to keep running. I always think about something that my grandmother used to always say, like, the race is not given to the swift or the strong, but the one that endures to the end. Keep going, keep pushing. And I think that's a lesson not only for young people, but for us all.